morning, guys. Today we're off to Car Audio Security for their Cars and Coffee meet. As you guys might know, a long time ago I bought a fully restored Escort van, an Escort RS Turbo, and yeah, this van is one of my childhood sort of is on my bucket list, and it's been in Car Audio Security for about a year or so. Check out their channel, Car Audio Security Cast TV. They have been doing some episodes on the van because I instructed them to do an absolute heavy audio system in there, loads of bass, and the van's fully complete now. We've done loads of trick bits to the van, airlift performance, etc. And so today, nice lovely weather, I pulled out the Aventador S, the roof's off, any excuse, right? And we're off to Car Audio Security to check out the van and enjoy some coffee and cars at their awesome meets that they hold at their base in Hayes. Buzz is on his way there as well. Buzz is on babysitting duties today, so I promised him, I said, Buzz, bring both the kids with you, bring Dahlia and bring Mac, and I will take care of one of them. So let's see how that goes. Hopefully I get no vomit on my clothes, but yeah, I'm so looking forward to seeing the van. I have been there, I have seen it before with the audio system in there, I've heard it, but I've not seen it with the new wheels I've just put on there now. Taking the Cosy wheels off. Put some period correct wheels on there, by the way. You'll love it when you see it. And of course, I have not seen it with the airlift performance on there. There's some modifications we need to make further to make sure the car can air out all the way to the floor. We need to modify the arches on the inside, the inner arches. But for the moment, it is on air ride. And yeah, let's go and see it. Let's check it out. One thing that never gets tiring in this Aventador is the full decat Brook race exhaust. Honestly, with the V12, it sounds absolutely immense. With the roof off, it is a crazy sound. It's quite addictive, especially when you change. When you're cruising, you change from first to second. It's a nice V12 sound. It's so addictive. And when you find a tunnel, you got to just slow down and quickly accelerate to the speed limit and enjoy the sound. Let's go. We're about to go. We're in traffic. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Listen to the bang. Listen to the bang. Did you hear that? It crackles and pops when you sort of let off as well. Let's hope you can hear it on the GoPro. Hear that cracking? That's all the exhaust. No tune on this car because it's got the Lamborghini warranty, and I'm not messing around with the Aventador. Well, not yet anyway. If I get the itch one day, I might twin turbo it, but yeah, for the moment, it's just an exhaust on this car, and who knows what I'll do to it in the future, but mate, honestly, that sound is sick. Come on, bit of traffic, let's get to Car Audio Security. I want to see my van. See you there in a second. So check out, we've arrived at Car Audio Security, and the superstar, the guest, the celebrity has turned up.
Bro, we're partners. It doesn't quite work.
Listen, today, we just want to prove it's a family event.
They can hear us. I wonder if you can hear us.
It's a family affair, and look at this. Man's on babysitting duty, Joe.
Sick, yo.
Van is out, they're playing some tunes right now. Buzz still doesn't understand the point of me doing up a van.
It's crazy, the money he spent on it.
Well listen, we'll show you around the van in a second. Keep it locked.
Hey Dahlia, introduce us.
We finally arrived at Car Audio Security
Bro,
van.
come closer. Dahlia's going to introduce us. Dahlia, say hi. Welcome to the Rocky and Buzz Show. Yeah.
Say Uncle Waki.
Say Rocky and Buzz Show. Yeah, it's not quite that intro that we wanted, but it'll do.
Yeah. We've arrived at Car Audio Security. Buzz has turned up with his lovely two kids. beautiful babies. He makes some really good looking kids. Like, the guy's a really good looking guy. But anyway, we're today going to talk about this good looking van. It's fully ready by Car Radio Security. And as you guys know, you've seen their episodes on the CAS TV channel. Give them a little follow. Buzz still till this day doesn't understand why I done this van.
It is stupid. You see the amount of money he spent on it.
And today we're going to show him what it's all about. So check it out, come here. 6 amps, 6 horn tweeters, coaxials, and the horn tweeter hidden there behind the grills.
Oh wow.
All the fuses, 6 Stingray batteries underneath here. If you lift this cover up, show over at show, blow some fuses, all easily accessible, top work by Car Radio Security.
You're selling it?
No, not at all.
Why are you going in so hard on spec then?
I'm trying to show the Rocky and Buzz Show followers
No, he's
why
trying to justify why he spent over 20 grand on it.
And you know what? What do you think about number plate? I bought that off DVLA auctions last week. Well, 2 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago.
I'm sure this was at the same time we bought my plate, which was in December.
Oh, probably December, 2 months ago. Check these wheels out. We had the Escort Cosworth wheels on it, the 16s that were too wide. The van wouldn't air out all the way down. So I had these RS7s which I bought from my Sierra Cosworth many years ago. They were lying around, we refurbished them, and we still need to do some arch modifications. Buzz, what do you think about the wheels, bro?
They're absolutely sick, as in disgusted.
What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem?
Nah, they do look alright.
Buzz, will you tell them about what's going on inside here?
Yeah, so what we've got here is we've got a twin turbo forged engine. On top of that, we've actually got 4 turbos, so it's not twin turbo. We're running about 7,000 horsepower, and it's powered by a flex capacitor or something.
None of that's true. So let me tell you. This is why this guy don't care about old Fords. But inside here we've got a Kenwood floating screen. We've got 6 15s in the back here, which Cyclops. We'll film for you 6 15s in the back. The van is an Escort RS Turbo engine van. Yeah, we've got airlift, we've got full audio system. The van's nut and bolt restored. It's got the Recaro Ford Escort RS Turbo interior, and the main magic touch here, Fido Dido from our era. The 7-Up character, that's why the 7-Up character.
What's his name?
Fido Dido.
I didn't even know that.
Check this out, look at the engine.
Weird name, like, no, but then again, my name's Buzz, I can't say shit. By the way, whilst he's doing that, over there is Brad from Car Radio Security. He's worth 14 million.
Sorry, get it right.
140 million.
Yeah, that was last year. Yeah.
Needs a bit of cleaning, it's not being handed over, but fully forged RS Turbo 1.6 engine. It's running a stock turbo. Yeah, it needs a good little clean. It's running
Hands are dirty now.
badass performance, oil catch can, cone filter. Yeah, the plan now is, because I'm keeping the van and it's gonna go to my grave with me, is to do an EFI conversion. So it doesn't drive very well at the moment. Spoke to a Ford specialist yesterday, we found out a couple of things that these cars are notoriously known for. So if you've got an EFI setup for a Fiesta RS Turbo, for a Cosworth setup with all the lubes, injectors, manifold, hit me up, DM, comment, I'll buy it off you for £10 a week. Or invoice Car Radio Security because they paid for the van. So, and it's their responsibility to make sure it runs all right, and the owner's there.
Raj's tab.
So I just filmed my van, and I got told off by one of the members here, saying, "Can you move out of the way?" One of the attendees saying, "We're filming the van, you're interrupting us," and I felt like, I shouldn't ruin their moment.
I don't know what he's talking about.